Good morning, girls. This is Miss Gasparini with another video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. I want to talk to you about tens and ones again. Now, we've already talked about organizing large amounts of something into tens and ones. We also know that we can represent our tens and ones on a place value chart. For example, let's look at our green cubes. I've already organized them for us and I've set up a place value chart. I want you to help me count how many tens and ones I have. Let's start with tens. Are you ready? Great. How many tens do I have? That's right. I have two tens. So I'm going to put in the place value chart that I have two tens. And how many ones do I have? That's right. I have 6 ones. I'm going to put that in the place value chart too, that I have 6 ones. All right, so I have 2 tens and 6 ones. What amount, what number does that mean I have? 26. That's right. 26 is 2 tens and 6 ones. You're right. However, I want us to stop and think about this for a second. So to make my two tens, I had to organize them, right? They weren't always in these two very nice groups of 10. I had to take my ones and put them into groups. I had to take these cubes and put them into groups. So I have 2 tens and 6 ones, but that really means I have 26 ones. These 26 ones were organized into 2 tens and 6 ones. 2 tens and six ones is 26 ones. That's a little confusing, so let me show you another example of what I mean. I have all these circles that I made. Can you count how many circles I have? Ready, set, go. Yep, there are 15 circles. When I say 15 circles, I mean that there are 15 total here, which means there are how many ones? Yep, there are 15 ones. Right now, I have 15 ones. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these ones and I'm going to organize them. Let's start by making our 10. All right. Ready to help me? Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I'm going to do, like I've done before, is I'm going to circle my 10 and I'm going to label it. I'm going to move my remaining 5 over here too, so they're all kind of in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I took my 15 ones and I organized them into 110 and 5 ones. So 15 ones is the same as 110 and 5 ones, which means 110 and 5 ones is 15 ones. This is a little bit of a tough concept, and we'll probably talk about it when you get back to school. But in the meantime, I know you girls are working so hard and you're doing so great. I am so impressed with the girls that are keeping up with their Zearn. Keep up the good work. If you're logging into Zearn every day, I'm so impressed. Keep up the good work. I love you girls so much. I will make another video for you tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.